students, welcome to the science class. Today's portion, different types of utensils. Different types of utensils. Then first one is pressure cooker. First one is pressure cooker. What are the things we use it to cook in pressure cooker? Then meat, rice, then vegetables, that type of things, no? Then pressure cooker is used to steam or pressure cooker is used to steam or boil when vegetables, rice, meat, etc. Okay, then pressure cooker is used to steam or boil vegetables, rice, meat, etc. What are the advantages of using pressure cooker? What are the advantages? Then it saves fuel and it retains nutrients in our food and it softens the food. These are the advantages of using pressure cooker. Then pressure cooker is used to steam or boil vegetables, rice, meat, etc. Then second one is wok. Second one is wok. A wok is a large bowl-shaped utensil. It is a large bowl-shaped utensil. Wok is a large bowl-shaped utensils. It is used to fry vegetables, meat, fish, that type of things. Okay, then wok is a large bowl-shaped utensils used to frying vegetables, fish, meat, etc. Then third one is pot. Third one is pot. Then pressure cooker, wok, and third one is pot. Pot is used for steaming and boiling vegetables, rice, fish, that type of things. Okay, pot is used for steaming and boiling vegetables, meat, rice. Okay, steaming vegetables, then fish, rice, etc. Okay, these are the three main type of utensils. First one is pressure cooker, then pressure cooker, steam or boil vegetables, rice, meat, etc. What are the advantages of using pressure cooker? It saves fuel and retains nutrients in the food, and one more thing, what is that? It softens the food. Okay, then second one is wok. Wok is a large bowl-shaped utensil. It is used for frying vegetables, fish, meat, that type of things. Then third one is pot. Pot is used for steaming or boiling vegetables, fish, rice. Okay. Then next one is pan. Next one is pan. Three types of pans are there. First one is three types of pans. First one is flat tawa. Fourth one is pan. Fourth one is pan. There are three types of frying pans. Three types of frying pan. First one is flat tawa. Then second one is shallow frying pan. And third one is deep frying pan. Okay, first one is flat tawa and second one is shallow frying pan and third one is deep frying pan. Then flat tawa. Flat tawa is used for cooking dosha, making dosha, chapatis, appam, that type of things. Okay, flat tawa is used for making chapatis, appam, dosha, that type of food items. Then next one is shallow frying pan. Then in shallow frying pan, little depth only. Okay, then oil is used for cooking, then only little depth. Okay, then next one is deep frying pan. Then deep frying pan compared to shallow frying pan, the depth of deep frying pan is more. Okay, compared to shallow frying pan, the depth of a deep frying pan is more. Then deep frying pan is used to fry meat or fish. Okay, use it to fry meat or fish, then submerging into oil. Fish fry is prepared, then samosa, that type of things also prepared in deep frying pan. Okay, once more. 3 types of frying pan. Then flat tawa, use it to make dosha, appam, chapatis, that type of things. Second one is shallow frying pan. Then shallow frying pan is used to fry vegetables, then make cutlets. Okay, then shallow frying pan is used to make cutlets and frying vegetables. The depth of this pan is less, so don't want so much oil. Okay, in shallow frying pan don't want so much oil. Then next one is deep frying pan. Compared to shallow frying pan, the depth of deep frying pan is more. Then use it. Deep frying pan is used for cooking or frying that fish, meat, that type of things. Okay. Next one is cooking appliances and fuel. Cooking appliances and fuel. What do you mean by appliances? What do you mean by appliances? Appliances means a device used for cooking. Okay. Appliances means device used for cooking. Next one is fuel. Then what are fuels? Fuels means material that produce heat and energy by burning. Materials that produce heat and energy by burning. That is known as fuel. Then first one is chula. First one is chula. Then chula is made out of mud or bricks. Chula is made out of mud or bricks. Then fuels used in chulas. Then wood, cow dung cakes. Okay, wood, cow dung cakes and charcoal. These are the fuels used in chula. Then burning wood, we get heat. Okay. Then cow dung cakes. Cow dung dried in sunlight, we get cow dung cakes. It is not used in Kerala. Then next one is charcoal. Charcoal means after burning of wood, we get ash. No, if the burning is not complete, that time we get that black color of pieces. No, that black color pieces is known as charcoal. Okay, that black color pieces is known as charcoal. Then first one is chula. Chula is made up of mud or bricks. Then fuels used in chulas are wood, cow dung cakes and charcoal. Then second one is tandoor. Then tandoor is a clay oven. Okay, tandoor is a clay oven. Then fuels used in tandoor. The fuels used in tandoor, wood and charcoal. The fuels used in tandoor, wood and charcoal. Then second one is tandoor. Tandoor is a clay oven. Then fuels used in tandoor, wood and charcoal. Then this tandoor is one of the oldest traditional oven. Okay, oldest traditional oven. Then third one is kerosene stove. Third one is kerosene stove. Which fuel is used in kerosene stove? Which fuel is used in kerosene stove? Which fuel? Kerosene. Okay. Fuel in kerosene stove, kerosene. Kerosene use it as a fuel in kerosene stove. Next one is gas stove. Next one is gas stove. Which fuel is used in gas stove? Which fuel? That is LPG. What is that one? LPG. What is the full form of LPG? What is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, liquefied petroleum gas. What is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. Then which fuel is used in gas stove? LPG. Then full form of LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Then the fuel flows from the cylinder to the stove through a tube. Okay, cylinder to the stove through a pipe. Okay, then gas stove. Which fuel is used in a gas stove? LPG. What is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. Then next one is solar. Next one is solar cookers. Next one is solar cooker. Then which what is the then solar cookers, sunlight is the main source of energy. Okay, in solar cookers, sunlight is the main source of energy. Then it is an eco-friendly one. Okay, solar cookers are eco-friendly one. Then sunlight is used as a fuel in this one. Okay, solar cooker. Then sunlight is used as a fuel in solar cookers. Then it is an eco-friendly one. Then next one is microwave. Microwave oven. Then which fuel is used in microwave oven? Which one? That electricity. Okay, electricity. Then we use microwave ovens to prepare cakes, biscuits, that type of things. Okay, then they cook food very quickly in high temperature. Okay, they cook food very quickly in high temperature. So first one is chula. Chula is made out of mud or bricks. Then what are the fuels used in chula? Wood, charcoal and cow dung cakes. Then cow dung cakes is prepared by cow dung is dried in the sun. Okay, cow dung is dried in the presence of sun. Okay, then next one is tandoor. Tandoor is a clay oven. Then fuels used in tandoor, wood and charcoal. Then tandoor is an oldest traditional one. Then next one is kerosene stove. Which fuel is used in kerosene stove? Kerosene. Kerosene as a fuel that is used in kerosene stove. Next one is gas stove. Then gas stove. Which fuel is used in gas stove? Which fuel? That LPG. What is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. What is the full form of LPG? Liquefied petroleum gas. Then next one is solar cooker. Then solar cooker, sunlight. Then solar cooker is an eco-friendly one. Then last one is microwave oven. Which one? Electricity is it as a fuel. Then they cook food very quickly at high temperature. Okay, then use electricity to cook food. Okay, thank you.